Assalamu alaikum. My name is Professor Dr. Muhammad Latif. I am a professor of general medicine and I have got 30 years of experience, both pre and post fellowship. Similarly, I am expert in treating the diseases of the esophagus like reflux esophagitis and GERD, and similarly acid peptic disease and acute and chronic pancreatitis, cholecystitis, etc. And in the intestines, I have been managing the diseases, chronic diseases of the intestine like irritable bowel syndrome and ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease successfully. Over the last 2 or 3 decades, I have treated thousands of cases of hepatitis B and C, which was very prevalent 20-30 years back in Pakistan. And I used to treat the cases of chronic liver diseases with the initially interferons followed by the tablets, and in most of the cases I have been successful in treating the difficult cases including the CLD and acute hepatitis associated with the hepatitis B and C. I have special interest in diabetes mellitus also. I successfully treat the complicated as well as the uncomplicated cases of the diabetes mellitus. I have attended various courses of diabetes mellitus in the United States, in the United Kingdom, and I am certified in the diabetes mellitus from the United Kingdom. And along with diabetes mellitus, the associations of obesity and hypothyroidism I have been managing very successfully over the last 20 or 30 years. Similarly, I can manage hypertension very successfully, both complicated as well as uncomplicated. I mean, the high blood pressure can lead to sometimes hypertensive emergency and urgency, and I can handle both in the ICU and in the emergency. And Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Almighty, I have been very successful in treating the hypertensive emergencies and urgencies in the Dr. Citrus Hospital ICUs and the ICU of the Farooq Hospital, Allama Iqbal Town. Similarly, I have special interest in the management of the dengue fever because I have attended 2 or 3 courses in the dengue fever management, and in the first pandemic of dengue fever in Pakistan, I was the pioneer in the management of dengue fever in Mayo Hospital as well as in the district hospital of Lahore, which is the largest district hospital of Lahore, Kotwise teaching hospital. And I was the sole consultant over there, and I had 50 beds of dengue fever. And my mortality rate was very low, about 1 to 2%, and I successfully managed the cases of dengue fever, and I got a certificate of appreciation from the then Chief Minister of Punjab. So I can, being a general physician for the last 30 years, my fellowship degree is FCPS medicine, and I have attended various conferences like APASL, EASL and ASAD, and similarly the cardiometabolite conferences I have attended in the United Kingdom and United States, and having experience of sharing the knowledge with the international levels. And I have worked in various hospitals. I am a graduate of King Edward Medical College, and most of my experience has been in the Mayo Hospital. Later on, I joined Dr. Said Medical College, and I have now become a professor of medicine in Dr. Said Medical College, and I have been working there for the last 10 years. And I have worked in all the Farooq hospitals, including Thokar Niazbez branch, EME branch, and Farooq Hospital, Allama Iqbal Town.